Hi, Pat here. I have a Pioneer stereo receiver, model SX9000. Let's take a little closer look at this. And you see here, it's got a tone color, which is a bit unusual. It's got 3 speakers, A, B, and C, 2 tape monitors, and you see right there it's got a reverb in it. And you really can't see much behind the dial right now, but this door will flip open and all the controls are down there. You got 2 for the microphones, and they actually switch off. A mode 1, you got your balance. You tape B inputs are up front here. Loudness muting and the 2 filters. And this one's for the reverb. Does click off. And the 2 tones. And take a look at the top of this thing. There's a gouge out there. There's another gouge right there. It's kind of rough there. Take a look at the sides. They're a bit scratched up. And that size is quite chipped up. Take a look at the back here. You got your antenna connections. AM antenna. And right there. Should put a little light on there. See the serial number there. First 2 digits is Q and G. Q is 1970 and G is July. So this was made in July 1970. And you got all your hookups in the back here. These speaker things, they pull right out. Plug in. I'm missing 1 set there. These 2 fuses down here. Took them out. See how well you can see these, but they're both 3 amps as they should be. As I drop one. Well, you can see the difference in the filament in there. One's thicker than the others. And when I plugged it in, I put my voltmeters across here, and I read a high voltage. I plugged it in and turned it on, and that tuning indicator there won't go past 93. There's something messed up there. Right up there where it says tone color. So I switch it, change the shapes a little bit. Oh, let's see. Right there was reverb. Turn it on. It's got lines going through it. I think there probably should be a light behind it. I'm not sure yet. I do have the power on. I'm going to measure the voltage across these. And not as bad as it was before. Still a bit high. 0.7 volts. And on the other side, 0.5. I like to see 0.1 and under. Well, it might be safe enough to hook speakers up to. I hooked up some speakers. And I tried running a cassette deck on it. I got nothing. I got an AM right now. Turn the volume up a little bit. Not having no static. So, you have to take the cover off. Take a look on the inside. I got the cover off. And you just see just how dusty and dirty this thing is inside. Nothing unusual. And this came off over the heat sink. And these output transistors, probably really can't see them in there. Top two are original. The bottom two down there, they were replaced. So somebody's been in this thing once. Take a look at the back side here. Not too dirty in the bottom, but never is. The reason I wasn't getting any sound, this pre and main switch had up separated, and it should have been down. And now I am getting music out of it.
Bacon, egg, and cheese croissants for $5 at Dunkin' Donuts.
I got an FM right now. Meters work, but the FM light ain't coming on. See, I was also getting AM.
New York. Business at 20. Hey, it's got to be something really bad for me to send something back. Otherwise, it's going to be.
And the tape did work too. This thing's a bit strange. Here in the volume knob, the inside one's source and the outside's volume. But I did get this thing working, and this is just going to be part one, because I am going to start rebuilding this thing. So thanks for watching the video.